Yo mga men, Nate here, your fitness financial advisor. Push day tayo today and ang target natin ay chest, shoulders at triceps. And habang nag-workout tayo, pag-usapan na din natin ang comprehensive health plan ni Sun Life na Sun Fit and Well. So syempre, warm up muna tayo, especially sa shoulder, para mas safe and ready tayo bago mag-chest workout. At mga men, lagi niyong protektahan ang inyong shoulder joints para iwas injury. Same way na dapat protected din tayo sa health risk ng buhay. So ang first workout natin ay incline dumbbell press. So target nito yung upper chest para mas buo at bilog ang itsura ng chest natin. Tips lang mga men, set your bench at 35 degrees para mas tama ang activation sa upper chest kesa sa front delts ng shoulders. At speaking of protection, did you know, ang Sun Fit and Well ng Sun Life covers 114 minor and major critical illnesses. Sobrang dami, kaya hindi ka na mangangamba, minor man o major, covered ka na. Yan ang solid protection na dapat meron ka. Next, seated decline press. Ang target nito yung lower chest para mas buo at balance ang chest development. Reminder mga men, keep your shoulders back, control the movement at focus sa mind and muscle connection para solid ang squeeze. At syempre, speaking of full coverage, hindi lang 114 minor and major illnesses ang covered ni Sun Fit and Well. Meron din tong specific cancer booster na kapag na-diagnose ng stage 3 or 4 cancer specific si client, may additional 50% ng face amount ang ibibigay ni Sun Life. Extra protection when you need it the most. Then we move to pec fly. Ang target naman nito is yung inner chest natin, pang definition. Tips lang mga men, dapat yung reps natin is to failure. Then mag-add kayo ng 2 half reps sa dulo para sa extra burn. Reason, para mas fully engage yung chest kahit pagod na. Same with health protection. Dapat may extra coverage beyond the basic para mas secure ka kahit unexpected hits. Shoulder press na tayo mga men. Ang target nito yung front delts ng shoulder natin. And tips lang, keep elbow tucked in para safe at iwas injury. At hindi lang booster ang meron si Sun Fit and Well. Meron din tong kaakibat na hospital income benefit, post-hospitalization benefit, home recovery benefit, palliative care benefit, at access to wellness programs. Ang dami, di ba? Next ay magsusuperset tayo ng cable side lats and dumbbell lateral raise. Bakit? Para sa maximum pump and growth ng side delts natin. Key ito para sa wider look ng shoulders. Aside sa comprehensive protection ni Sun Fit and Well, meron din tong earnings like dividends and special paid-up bonus. Whereas pag natapos mong bayaran yung plan, merong ibibigay si Sun Life na pwedeng mag-grow over time. Walang tapon, di ba? Last push move, tricep. So superset din tayo dito ng overhead cable plus pull down. Ito is for full activation ng long head and lateral head ng triceps natin. Tips lang mga men, dapat keep your elbows tucked, control the weight, full stretch and squeeze for maximum growth. At alam mo ba, ang Sun Fit and Well ay merong limited payment terms for 10 years, 15 years, and 20 years. Depende na yan kung saan mo gusto. Ang maganda pa dito is insured ka na up until age 100. Long-term protection for a short-term commitment, ika nga. So bakit nga ba walang tapon kay Sun Fit and Well? Well, kasi pag walang nangyari sa'yo till age 65, meron tong ibibigay na 5% ng face amount for 8 consecutive years na pwede mong ma-enjoy on your retirement years. So ayun lang mga men, if you wanna know more about Sun Fit and Well, just comment Fit and Well down below. And again, this is Nate, your fitness financial advisor. Don't forget to like, share, and follow for more fitness and financial tips. Peace out mga men.